Hello everyone, welcome to my page. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your system fast if you are encountering any system slowness. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 basic steps you need to take in order to make your system fast. So let's get started. When you're on your computer, the first thing you need to do, type on your search bar, type run. On the run, the dialog box will appear. Type percentage temp percentage and press enter. As you can see, it's going to display all the hidden items in your computer system. So if I enlarge it, I double click, then press Ctrl 8. Ctrl A will highlight everything, then press Shift Delete to delete it. As you can see, it will ask you, do you do this in all the content? Click Continue. You will see it will be deleted the content from it. So as you can see, it prompts this up because these things are important to the computer system. You can check on this box and click skip. As you can see, all the bunch of items they were here, all the hidden items that were here before, it has deleted them off. So the second step, you can click by closing the start button here by closing it. The second stage is to go through change the say run, then type temp and press enter. Simply means temporary file. This will ask you, do you have correct permission to access this file? Click continue. If you are an admin to the system, so you have the right to go into it. So this also hidden file still within the system, which can also slow your system down. All you need to do right now is to Ctrl A to highlight it all, then press Shift Delete. Shift Delete is going to delete them for you. Then as do you want to do this for all the course? Say yes. So you see it's going to delete. As you can see on my computer screen, there are some few things it has not deleted because those things are very much important to the computer system. I just skip it. So the third stage now I'm going to show you is to you prefetch. Stay on run, press run, type prefetch. Prefetch now. This will ask you if you have the correct permission to it, because I always say that wherever you are doing this, do it with your admin rights as the admin of the system. Click continue. You see the prefetch has also bring some hidden items with the computer system. This fetch all those hidden items that are not important to your system, so that it keeps slowing those systems down. So all you need to do, press Ctrl A, then to highlight it all, Shift Delete to delete it. As you can see, it has deleted all. So all you need to do is skip it, because the file is important to your computer system. Thank you for listening to this. The few tips that I give you make your system more faster. If you need more video update, kindly subscribe, like my page, and if there's any particular video you want me to make, just let me know. I will gladly do it for you. Thank you.